The decision to have a sofa professionally cleaned is a common dilemma for many homeowners. While a professional cleaning service can significantly improve the appearance, longevity, and hygiene of your sofa, it is essential to consider factors such as cost, convenience, and the type of fabric before diving into the decision. Picture this: you've just spent a long day at work, and all you want to do is come home and relax on your comfortable sofa. But as you sit down, you notice that it's not as fresh and clean as it used to be. Stains, dirt, and allergens have accumulated over time, and it's now starting to affect your relaxation sanctuary. That's where professional sofa cleaning comes in. Professional cleaning services use state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to remove dirt, stains, and allergens from your sofa. This not only restores its original color and vibrancy but also extends its lifespan, saving you money in the long run. Plus, a clean sofa means a healthier environment for you and your family, reducing the risk of allergies and other health issues. Before you book that appointment, consider the type of fabric your sofa is made of. Delicate materials such as silk or leather may require specialized cleaning methods, while synthetic fabrics like polyester or microfiber can typically handle a more robust approach. Make sure to consult with the cleaning service to ensure the best results for your specific sofa. The cost of professional sofa cleaning can vary depending on factors such as the size of your sofa, the level of dirt and stains, and your location. However, investing in periodic professional cleaning can save you money in the long run by extending the life of your sofa and maintaining its appearance. In summary, deciding to have your sofa professionally cleaned can be a smart investment in your home's comfort, cleanliness, and overall appeal. By considering factors such as cost, convenience, and fabric type, you can make an informed decision that will leave you with a clean, fresh, and inviting sofa that you'll be proud to show off to your friends and family. So go ahead, treat your sofa to a spa day, and enjoy the benefits of a professionally cleaned sofa for years to come.